Hello everyone. So I have something different to show you, but it is nail related in the ways that I bought it for. So like a couple years ago, I became what do you call it, like an ambassador, an affiliate for Sarah Renee Clark, and it's the Color Cube. When I first signed up, there was only volume 1 and volume 2, but then 3 and 4 came out, so I forgot all about these. I've been an affiliate, I don't know, I'll have to put in a picture, for like a couple years or something, and I always have the link down in the description box. And I finally remembered, I saw her on Instagram, and so I bought all 4 of them, and they're packaged so nicely in here. I'm so excited. I opened one, so I'm going to show you, and then the reason that I bought them. Okay, so I opened this one already. Actually, my kids did, and they've been using it. And I've been meaning to make a video, and I haven't. But this is the box. Has all the colors, and then oops, I left tape on it. And then it comes with a sticker, because again, there's 4. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here in the middle, and then I'm gonna open up number 2 with you guys, and then we'll look at it. So I need to open it without giving myself a paper cut. I'm so excited. I'm gonna do, I don't know if you guys have guessed yet, but it's either gonna be random Manny Monday or what you wearing Wednesday, but I kind of like the Monday one better, and I'm going to use my tablet to pick like between 1 and 4, because I have 4 boxes, and then from there the number, pick one more number for all the ones that are in the box. So here's this still with all the colors. It's so pretty. And then this was the thing on the outside, and I know, oh, here it is. You can open it like this, and finding your new color palette is easy. It has the color name, the hex codes, tint and shades, fun ideas. This one is volume 2, so I got all of these ones, and then you can go online as well. I'm so excited. Okay, so I let my kids do the first one, and they've been using it for like their arts and crafts and stuff like that. And like I said, I've had these for quite some time, so I need to like get on with it. So I don't remember what color the other one was. This one's like a pinky red inside. It's really pretty. So this is what it looks like when you first open it, like all these cards and stuff. And then it comes with this pack in the back, and you want to open this like that, and then just setting that aside, it also comes with a number. So I'm going to line up the colors and then put number 2 right here in the middle. Maybe I should have put them on the side, actually. That's okay. Okay, so open, and they close so good. Okay, and they're like super like thick cardboard, and there's foam in here too. It's really nice. So, and it's called the Color Cube. So welcome to the Color Cube. Use these cards to find the perfect colors for your next project. matching your supplies. The back of each card includes color printouts. Right to the edge, hold it up to your art supplies and you can find it. There's like the names, the codes. We actually did this inside of, what is that called that we have? Procreate. So we like matched up the colors and it was really cool. So then you're going to want to put all of, because they're all numbered like this, 251. So I'm going to do 251 to 275 and then put the little divider in. So 275 is here. So I'm going to do this and be right back. I also forgot to show, so it shows a picture of each one that's in this section, but if you turn it over, it also shows you the name of like what's inspired in this little section. This one's Cityscapes. So I'm still filling it and I don't remember if I showed you, so yeah. Okay, so I got them all in here, so you can look this way or you can turn it this way and then you can see all the names. So for volume 2, because that's this one, it has amazing places, ocean life, spectacular skies, cityscapes, everyday life, fun and festive, petals in blooms, farmer's table, cosmic wonders, smooth gradients, and wonderful wildlife. And you can see what the other ones have. And I have to put these two together still. I'm really excited to see those. So, what my idea is, so I have 4 boxes, so I'm randomly gonna do like a random generator, and let's say I picked box 2, so I'm gonna do and then I'll do it again. I'll do 251 to 500. So let's say it randomly picked like 345. So I'm gonna just find 345 here. It's 42, 46, and then grab out this one, which was in Cityscapes. So then I'm going to do a nail design based off of this with the colors and whatever image this is. So I can do like a background with the city or just a city, just something based on this. And then it gives you the colors as well. So I'm really excited. That's why when they asked if I wanted to join the affiliate program, because like I said, I reached out quite a few years ago. They suggested giving me a code and stuff like that because it was a great idea, bringing it to the nail polish world. So yes, I'm so excited, and the first one is going to be on Monday. I don't know if I'm going to do it live, just because I might have to like dig around through all of my plates to find something, but I need to look at these ones because it's petals in bloom, and if you know me, I love my flowers. So there's bell peppers. Isn't this farmer's table? Let me see. Oh, because I did it the back. Okay, because I'm going the other way. So that's farmer's table. So I'm going to put that back because I grabbed the wrong one. So I'm going to go this way. And this one is petals bloom. Petals and blooms. Ooh, look at that. It's, oh, these colors. Oh, and a water lily. What are those called? A lotus flower. Oh, my dahlias. Oh my god, that's probably my favorite one. Another dahlia. So, yes. Again, it gives you colors, ideas, of course flowers are flowers, but I have to look at those. So, let's see. Here's Wonderful Wildlife. Let's randomly grab this one. Oh, look at that one. That would be a really good one to do in the colors. So, if you are interested in looking at these, I do have the code. It's down in the description. I'm going to get, I wonder, they're all different too. So let's look at number 1, just because I have it right here. So, oh, I need to turn these. There's Enchanting Landscape, Sandy Shores, Bold and Bright. Let's do, because summer's coming up and summer's right here. So I'm going to randomly grab this one. And it's Wheat. Oh, see, that's a good one with the colors. I really like that one. Another. Oh, look at that one. That's a good one for summer. I don't know what wheat. Oh, maybe like the wheat field's working. Anyways, super, super cute. I like that one. That's a good inspiration card. Let's see. Christmas season. Let's do Christmas just because some people do Christmas in July, right? Oh, look at that one. The pine cones, the cinnamon, the colors. That's a good one. I really like that one. And then food, because I'm hungry. Random. Let's grab this one. What is that? It looks like quiches. Oh, it's bacon with eggs. So a breakfast one you could do with the colors. Duh. I had to look at what it was. Bold and Bright. Random. Grab a clock with hands holding it. What was this? Bold and Bright. Just nice bright colors. So again, you can do something with the colors and the image. My nails are so beat up. Or just that. So here's this one. That's a really fun one with nice bright colors and the emojis. That'd be fun. Enchanting Landscapes, because I love nature. Random. Ooh. I really like that one. Especially with the colors. Oh, so fun. Okay, so I could look at these for hours. But if you have any questions or anything, let me know. I'm going to get these. Oops. I'm going to get them together. And yeah, so I cannot wait to start these. Yeah, let me know if you're excited, or if you want to see like a certain box. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, bye.